again. Welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. Guys, if you're just browsing today, welcome. And if you are my subscribers, welcome back. So today we have Lloyd in the kitchen again. Aren't we excited?
Yeah.
So today Lloyd is going to make a pineapple upside down cake. And here is Lloyd to tell you his ingredients. And I'm just here to assist him. All right?
The sugar, the butter, the eggs, vanilla extract, baking powder, almond mixed with rose water, the pineapple, cherry, and the flour, the shortening, and the coloring, and the milk.
All right.
So, and that's it for now. Alright, so we're gonna add the sugar. 1 pound 12 ounces of sugar. Four ounces of shortening. The butter. 1 pound of butter. And we're gonna cream the butter and the sugar until fluffy. So while we're waiting on the butter and the sugar to cream, we're gonna weigh the flour, which is 2 pounds of flour, 1 ounce baking powder, the liquid from the pineapple. So we're gonna add 8 ounces of sugar, or 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of water. Fruit coloring to give it the yellow pineapple color. So we have the eggs, which is 10 eggs. So we're gonna put them in 3 times. So we're giving it like 2 minutes. You mix it now for a couple seconds. Gonna scrape down the bowl. Try to ensure all the butter, the sugar, everything combined together real good. We're gonna start again. 2 more eggs. Now we're gonna put the mix on the slow speed, and we're gonna add the flour. flour, we're gonna mix in for additionally 1 minute. So we're gonna do this for another extra 2 minutes. More minutes to make it mix. Slow speed, 2 more minutes. That is the end of mixing the cake, and this is called a plain cake. So 1 cherry in the middle of each pineapple. So now we're gonna pour the pineapple syrup in the pan. And ensure all the pineapples cover. So the next step now, we gotta add the cake mix. So we already preheat the oven, 350 degrees. So approximately, this cake gonna take at least an hour and 20 minutes to bake. One, two,
So, okay, my FK gang, we're at the end of another segment. Lloyd did an incredible job. Chef?
Lloyd.
Baker?
Lloyd.
All right, here to present our
pineapple upside down cake straight from Fergie's kitchen.
Right.
The best of the best. That's it. Come on, man. So now we're gonna cut a slice of our delicious pineapple upside down cake.
Mmm. Mmm.
Very delicious.
Guys, this is so good. So delicious. Please send your order in. We're taking orders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 orders. We love you guys. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Fergie's Kitchen. Look where you run to. Okay, guys, thank you for tuning in today. Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.
See you guys later.